Hello guys, these are some cayenne pepper seedlings and today we will be topping them off. Welcome to Jeoff-Re'z DIY. Here we share farming tips and tricks and simple DIY ideas. Now these peppers were started from seeds and were recently uppotted into these 16-ounce containers. I planted 2 seedlings in this cup with the intention of discarding the weaker one. But for some reason I decided against that as both of them are growing healthy, so I'm just going to top them both. So I'm just going to make an angled cut slightly above this node, leaving 3 to 4 leaves. I'm also going to do the same thing with this second plant, making the cut at a 45-degree angle. By doing so, this will enable the plant to send out shoots at each of these nodes. In a couple of days, we should be seeing some positive results. Okay guys, with that done, we are just going to move on now to the second plant, and we are going to repeat the same process. Choose the amount of leaves you want remaining, make that cut. It's a bit windy right now, we're having some strong winds, so if you notice the leaves are all over the place. This one right here guys, showing sign of flowering, but we're just going to top it anyway. 3 or 4 leaves up, and we're just going to make that angled cut. So guys, I just went ahead and did the others, and this is what they are looking like. So with them fully topped, the energies will be transferred into these plants, producing multiple shoots at the various nodes. These right here that we cut off, all of these will be going into the compost pile. So we are now going to be placing these plants into an area where there is filtered sunlight so they can take their time to develop their shoots. Several of them already have their shoots popping, but by topping them off, this will only enhance the production of these shoots. These shoots will actually start to grow faster. So if you look closely at the nodes, then you will see exactly what I'm talking about. There are some little shoots popping up all about where you have those leaf nodes. So guys, we will now be looking at their progress after the first day. The cut is healing nicely, shoots are more pronounced, looking pretty good. Not doing too badly after the first day at all, and that is a very good sign. Coming back tomorrow the second day, we should be seeing a much greater result. So continue watching. So guys, it is now day 2 and this is what we're having here. They are looking really good. They have been watered and the cuts are healing nicely. So guys, what you can do when you make these cuts, you can use something to cover them. You can use wax or candle to cover them. This now will prevent the fungal or bacterial infection. We treat our plants similar to how we treat our bodies. Once we get a cut, we use something to cover it to prevent germs from entering. It is the same thing that we do with the plants. It is optional though, but that's one of the things that you can do to protect your plant. So what you're seeing here now guys is some chocolate brown Scotch bonnet seedlings. So it is now day 4 and the shoots are really coming up nicely. Just look at what is happening here guys. Really lovely, really beautiful, total awesomeness. These right here will be going into the garden much quicker than anticipated. Give a thumbs up if you're liking this video so far. Check out the video appearing on your screen. Subscribe for farming tips, tricks and DIY ideas. Share this content on your various social media platforms and I will see you in the next one.